Hello there and welcome to the virtual drive. So today we made two videos. One was the scratch protector for Nokia 5.1 Plus, how to install it, and the unboxing video, and now we have the clear case, the original clear case from Nokia for the 5.1 Plus. Following this video will be a drop test for the Nokia 5.1 Plus. Do watch it and leave your comments below. Now let's go with the unboxing. As I'm telling you again, this is original Nokia product. You can see this. You can buy one in Flipkart. The model name is CC151. It is imported by HMD Global India Private Limited. So thank goodness Nokia gave original case, because this phone is the display is very expensive on the Nokia 5.1 Plus. I'll be giving you all the details in the drop test video. What the? I have no idea how to remove this thing off. So this is something's wrong. Okay, so we have the clear case for Nokia 5.1 Plus. It is a silicone type, as you can see that. So this is a silicone case for the Nokia 5.1 Plus. It has got some good cushioning on the inside. I hope this will be protective. You can see and it's very nicely made. One of the major problems that we face with these clear cases is that they turn yellowish when used over a long period of time. But Nokia has been making comments that this is a premium product and it wouldn't happen so. So let's go on and check how it fares. Nice and easy, and it's in. So the phone looks pretty good, and the buttons are good as well. So the buttons are easily accessible, the volume rockers as well as the power button. They don't feel tough, they feel pretty integrated. I don't know if it would survive a crash, but anyways, this is it. And the fingerprint is also easily accessible. There is no barrier, so fingerprint is easily accessible, and it has some netted design behind. It kind of looks like there is a meshy design, but of course you cannot show off the beauty of the Nokia 5.1 Plus. The beautiful gloss black, I think this case has dissolved that look. But anyways, it doesn't look cheap and prim, but it looks premium, and it does not affect the beauty of the phone. The link of this case is below. You can click it and buy one. If you like the video, subscribe, and if it falls face first, I think there is a small lip here, but it's very tiny. I don't know if it would survive a face first drop, so I recommend you to put on a tempered glass. Thanks for watching, guys. Like the video and subscribe for more. Bye bye.